Okay, so we're gonna find the GCF of three numbers. The three numbers are 12, 20, and 32. There are three different types of methods that we could use in order to find the GCF of three numbers. So for the first method, I have the extended one, the one that you write across, that you write all the numbers. So we have the three numbers already listed, which are 12, 20, and 32. So for the first, they all have in common is 1. So for the factors of these numbers, for number 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. For the next one, as you could see, it's 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and number 20. For the next one, for 32, it's 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. So the greatest common factor is 4, and I boxed it up for you. So for the next method that I'm going to be talking is the factor tree method. This is a type of method that we use in grade school. This is how I was taught. So I'm going to do this really quick. So what two numbers equal 12? The ones that come in the top of my head, it's 4 and 3. So we could break this down more. So two numbers that equals 4 is 2 times 2 equals 4. So we cannot factor 3. So for 20, what two numbers? I want to say 4 and 5. Could you still factor out 4? Yes, you can. So the two numbers are 2 times 2. Could you factor out 5? No. The next number that we're going to be working on is 32. So what two numbers equals 32? So 4 times 8. Could you factor out this number? Yes. So 2 times 2. What about 8? Yes. So it's 2 and 4. Could you factor it further? Yes, you can. You could do the 4. So 2 times 2. So the GCF is 4. Okay, for the next and final method, it's going to be the Euclidean algorithm. So I kind of have it out here. So this is how I do it. So that's the two numbers. You're going to divide 20. How many? You could divide 20 into 12. So 1 time. So it's 1, so you put 12. So 20 minus 12 is 8. So you divide it by 12 and you get 1 with, you can only fit 1 time, so 8. So 12 minus 8 is 4. So when you divide 8 into 4, you get 2. So you could not factor it further since there's no remainders. When you have remainders, you keep on dividing. Since there's no remainders, you could see that the greatest common factor of 12 and 20 is 4. So for the next one, we're gonna break it down, and you could see that when you go further down, you cannot factor these two numbers anymore. You cannot divide them and get any remainders, because when you get remainders, that means you could still go further down. So 4 divided by 8 goes in there evenly, so it's 2. So you already know that the greatest common factor is 4.